Hello, friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be about the Walgreens COVID vaccine Massachusetts. And before we move forward with it, I would like you to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you regular updates in time. So, the Walgreens COVID vaccine of Massachusetts has been gaining popularity in places like United States, and there the Walgreens makers of the website have dedicated a separate page for the COVID-19 vaccine updates and how you can find appointment and sign up for the updates in this website. So we'll dig deeper into it, and as we move forward we see that how the website has stated the limited vacancies for availability in some selected areas which can get people vaccinated. For your betterment, you can find an appointment beforehand and also sign up for the updates that requires you from this website. This has been for the stating for the availability of COVID-19 vaccine here, and there are some several other videos by pharmacists, certified pharmacists, with common COVID-19 questions that occur in people's minds. So there is an explanation by Dr. Kevin Ban, who has explained about how COVID-19 vaccine can protect us from the virus. There are videos from pharmacist Nate of Walgreens, in which he has explained the importance of 2 doses of COVID 19 vaccine and the most searched questions about COVID 19 in the week, and also about breastfeeding mothers and pregnant women, how COVID 19 will affect them. There are also other several videos which tell you about the higher risk patients and how COVID 19 affects them, and how the vaccine affects him, and also how the vaccine will help people bring closer to each other, as there is going to be less danger of getting affected by COVID-19 after getting vaccinated. There are also videos about the common vaccine side effects and adverse events, and about how and what steps can be taken to get towards a more healthy and equitable care system. You can all find it on their website. And more than this, there are also an eligibility criterias that are mentioned for different people of different age group and health conditions that needs to be satisfied and needs to be agreed upon before getting yourself an appointment for getting vaccinated. You also need to see your available testing center before you book an appointment, and you need to stay up to date with the response from Walgreens newsroom for the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. There are also several frequently asked questions about COVID vaccine availability and other questions that are asked by people in the FAQ section that you can refer to for your betterment and for your knowledge. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video and find it informative. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep bringing you informative updates regularly. Thank you and have a nice day.